Hi, it's Joliet Mayor Bob Oderkirk. I'm going to give our regular update on COVID and what's happening inside the city of Joliet. The big news that we're dealing with today is the vaccine that's out and its availability. Right now, the vaccine is being given to medical professionals, medical workers, healthcare workers, EMS, long-term facility workers. That's been the first priority, and those are the people getting the vaccine. The next phase, which hopefully is coming soon, will be for our residents who are 65 years or older, or for frontline workers, which would be police and fire and other people that are on the front lines dealing with this. So that's where the vaccines are at right now. I know a lot of people are anxiously anticipating this, but these are the regulations that have been laid down and they're going to be followed, not just in Joliet. This is happening all over the state of Illinois. So the other thing is the Will County Health Department has a survey that's online, and would ask you to log into their website. They want feedback from the community as to how to distribute the vaccine and how to do so most effectively. So they're asking for feedback. I would urge any Joliet resident who has an opinion or is interested to go online and take their survey so we can get them the information that they're asking for. The news here in Joliet is good. Our cases have gone down significantly since November. The hospitals and the hospital beds are completely stabilized. So knock on wood, it seems like we're trending in the right direction here in Joliet. And again, like everyone else, I'm waiting for the vaccine to get here in greater numbers, especially get it to our seniors and the people that are most at risk right now. So I do want to thank, as always, all the city workers that have gone or worked through this entire pandemic. Again, I said this a couple times. Back in May or April or May, there were calls to shut down City Hall, and I said we weren't going to do that. We haven't. The city's never backed off. We're out there every day. Our employees providing the services that the people of Joliet pay for and expect. And the latest example of that, outside of the work that you see every day, would be Tony's Finer Foods, which has announced they're coming to Jefferson and Larkin. It's great to have that piece of property cleaned up. It's been an eyesore for several years now. Tony's is going to be a great addition. But it's just another example of what's happened at City Hall, and that we are working and we are proceeding like we were before, even during the time of pandemic. So again, I wish everyone a happy and healthy weekend. I hope everyone's families are healthy. Please stay safe. Please remember the protocols that we all have been living with since last March. Washing your hands, social distancing, wearing a mask if you can't do so in public. And I wish everyone, again, a happy new year, and we'll look forward to more good news in the near future. Thank you.
Hello, this is Deputy Chief Jeff Carey with the Joliet Fire Department with your City of Joliet COVID update for Friday, January 8th. We get all of our COVID-related information from the Will County Health Department, the CDC, and the Illinois Department of Public Health. You can visit their webpage for any additional information. New this week, we will begin providing updates on the COVID-19 vaccination distribution plan and the status of the vaccine's availability. The Will and Kendall County Health Departments are currently in Phase 1A of their vaccination distribution plan. Phase 1A includes healthcare workers, EMS, and long-term care facilities. The state has partnered with CVS and Walgreens to take care of the distribution of the vaccine to the long-term care facilities. We will be moving into Phase 1B very soon. Phase 1B age requirement was lowered yesterday from 75 to 65. This phase will also include frontline essential workers, sheltered populations, homeless, and inmates. To help with the distribution plan, the City of Joliet and the Will County Health Department are asking residents who wish to receive the COVID-19 vaccinations to complete a short survey. Residents of Will County can find the link to this survey on the Will County Health Department and the City of Joliet web pages. Kendall County currently does not have a survey for the residents. The Kendall County Health Department is asking their residents to continue to visit their website for COVID-19 vaccination updates. To find the most updated information on the COVID-19 distribution plan for the state of Illinois, please visit the IDPH website. You can find the links to all of these websites in a news release posted by the City of Joliet and on the City of Joliet webpage at www.joliet.gov/resident/news. For the numbers, there have been a total of 10,593 residents of Joliet who have tested positive for COVID-19, with 205 deaths since March. 1,174 of these positives are from the Joliet nursing homes, as well as 127 of these deaths. Our 2-week average number of new COVID cases peaked at the end of November. We had a steady decline in the amount of new COVID positives since then. Our 2-week average is now down to 726. The amount of COVID patients at the local hospitals has also come down from the highs and have stabilized in the past 2 weeks. The hospital capacities are also continuing to improve. The hospitals are also seeing very few flu cases this flu season. The safety measures we are following for COVID are keeping the seasonal flu numbers low. The COVID cases and hospital numbers are improving. We can keep this trend going by following the 3 W's. They are wearing a mask, watch your distance, and wash your hands. Thank you for being with us today. We will keep you updated on the vaccination plan as it moves along. Have a safe and happy New Year.